are more examples on multiplication in modular arithmetic. Let's learn how to multiply these numbers in the mode specified. Solution. The first example, we have 7 multiplied by 8. We have to calculate this in mode 6. But the first thing we do is multiply the numbers normally. 7 multiplied by 8, that gives us 56. Now we convert this 56 to a number we can have in mode 6. And to do that, we divide this by 6. 56 divided by 6, that gives us 9, remainder 2. That is, 56 is equivalent to the remainder 2 in mode 6. The second example, we have 3 multiplied by 7 in mode 5. But the first thing, multiply the numbers normally. 3 multiplied by 7, we have 21. Now we convert this 21 to a number we can have in mode 5. To do that, we divide this 21 by 5 and pick out the remainder. 21 divided by 5, that gives us 4, remainder 1. So that means 21 is equivalent to 1 in mode 5. And that's how to multiply numbers in different moduli. Thank you.